Welcome to Exams Daily, and this video is for DRDO Scholarship Scheme for Girls 2020 has released. I am going to share you full details about this scholarship scheme. So Government of India, Ministry of Defence, under this Defence R&D organization DRDO is providing this scholarship scheme mainly for girls who are studying engineering. So mainly for aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering, space engineering and rocketry, avionics and aircraft engineering. So registration will start from 15th August 2020 and closing date of this registration is 15th November 2020. And this main scholarship scheme is mainly for girls only who are studying engineering in the stream of aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering, space, rocketry, avionics and aircraft engineering. So I'm just going to share you full details about this. So those who are eligible is first year. If you are studying first year, so sorry, if you are entering into first year engineering like BE, BTech, full-time 4-year degree course, and if you are entering in PG, postgraduate, MTech, ME 2 years full-time course under aeronautical engineering, space engineering, rocketry, avionics, aircraft engineering, you are eligible for this examination. So, and this is a detailed description about this scholarship. So number of scholarship, 20 scholarship, 20 persons undergraduate. So for subjects aerospace engineering, aeronautical, space, rocketry, avionics, aircraft engineering. So if you are undergraduate BE, BTech, BSc engineering, you are eligible, and the amount of scholarship is per year it is 1,20,000. So if your if your college fees is less than this 1,20,000, you will get less amount from DRDO. So an eligibility criteria and requirement for this is you must be an Indian, and next if you got admission in first year academic year 2020 to the relevant BE, BTech, BSc engineering, you are eligible for this. And main thing, you must clear JEE main. So if you have a valid main JEE mains, you are eligible. If you doesn't have this JEE main marks, you are not eligible for this. So and 10 number of scholarships for postgraduates, ME, MTech, MSc engineering. So in the subject by discipline, aerospace engineering, aeronautical, space, rocketry, avionics and aircraft engineering. So those who are appearing for postgraduate ME, MTech, MSc engineering, you are eligible for this, and this is only for 10 members. So an amount of scholarship for this is per month 15,500, or else for per year 1,86,000, and this is maximum for 2 years. So an eligibility for this is you must be an Indian, and next you want to secure you must enter first year 2020 of ME MTech course, and you must score minimum of 60% in your BE BTech BE engineering or equivalent discipline. So and also you must get your CGPA 6.75. So yes, 60% of your undergraduate is eligible for this, and you must have a valid GATE score. If general aptitude test in engineering, if you doesn't have any GATE score, you are not eligible for this. So and the next thing is uh, so yes, you want to fill your form before the date ends. And selection process, mainly selection process based on if you are first year undergraduate BE BTech BSc engineering 4-year full-time course, you are eligible for this, and based on your merit of JEE mains. If you are not if you don't have any JEE main score, you are not eligible for this. And if you are first year of postgraduate ME MTech MSc engineering for 2 years full-time course, you are eligible for this, and you must have a GATE score. If you doesn't have any valid GATE score, you are not eligible for this. So scholarship in the following years, if you want to get your scholarship for following years for your 4 years, you must have a grade point of 7 or 70% marks in your degree. So like cumulative grade point average, yes, 7. If you have this only, you are eligible for following years. If you doesn't if you get any arrear in your examination, you are not eligible for this scholarship. You get discontinuity in your scholarship. So, and condition for the scholarship is once scholarship is discontinued, you can't recreate that. So, and next, candidates will have to produce all your certificates to that DRDO. And next, application without scanned copies of certificate are rejected. So, and next, and the main thing, yes, only the number of scholarship are limited to 20 for undergraduate and 10 for postgraduate members. So, and next checklist, you want to if you are applying for this, you must need these details attached to that. The first thing is you want to attach your scanned copy of your certificates, and next your recent photography and Aadhaar card, and next proof of admission, so and your fees details and certificate from your institute, and if you and your printout of finally submitted locked online application. So I'm just show you how to apply for this examination. So general instruction. So before apply this closing date, before apply this examination before the date ends, and fill your application form correctly. If you done any mistakes, you are rejected, and you must upload your JEE main by CAT score. It is very important. And if you doesn't give any final submitment, you are not eligible for this. So yes, I'm just going to show you the final the main portal of DRDO, so you can get one idea of this. So yes, this is the main page of DRDO Ministry of Defense. So, and this is the advertisement: DRDO scholarship scheme for girls in aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering, space engineering and rocketry, avionics, aircraft engineering. And here it shows two columns: view advertisement and apply online. So I'm just show you how to apply for this and overview, but I will put in next video how to apply for this scholarship scheme. So yes, apply online. Yes, this is the portal, and you want to fill 4 levels of form for this examination. First one is registration. You must register your details, and next fill your bio data, and next you want to upload your document. I will show that earlier. And you want to lock your scholarship. So, and this is the thing regarding DRDO scholarship scheme for girls, and the scheme is mainly for girls. So yes, that's it. If you're watching our channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, click like button and give your valuable comments in comment section. And thanks for watching.